U.S. regulations require all large personal electronic devices to be turned off and stowed at this time.
Make sure it's the correct
You may continue
information.
to use your small lightweight devices.
Make sure it's going to the right
Please make
place.
sure they're switched to airplane mode or the cellular service is turned off. These devices must be unplugged from the outlet and secured in a seat back, placed in your pocket or held. If it becomes necessary, the captain may request that all devices be turned off during the flight. Please securely stow your personal items under the seat in front of you. Be sure your seatbelts are fastened, seatbacks and tray tables are upright, and headrests are lowered. Flight attendants, please prepare the doors for departure. Cross-check, stand by for alcohol. Thank you for joining us today. This is United Flight 1579 to Newark. My name is Diane. I'll be the purser on your flight today. Our captain today is Captain Richard John, and he is assisted by First Officer Duncan Stockwell. We'd like to welcome back our Mileage Plus members who are earning or using award miles on this flight. Our flight time today will be 2 hours and 4 minutes. We ask that you please direct your attention to the following safety presentation. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along as we review the safety features of this Airbus 320. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you should be seated with your seatbelt fastened tightly across your lap. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, even when the seatbelt sign is off. This Airbus A320 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slides detach from the aircraft and are used for flotation. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. Please look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will guide you to the exits. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate you've reached an exit. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You will find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove, and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking is not allowed on this aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your large personal electronic devices are unplugged from the outlet, turned off, and stowed. Small lightweight devices must be unplugged from the outlet, switched to airplane mode, and secured. Your tray table carry-on items and headrest should also be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Food or beverage items must be collected or put away for departure. And thank you once again for flying with us this afternoon. I'll be back with more details about our flight once we're in the air. Welcome to the friendly skies.
flight attendants, please be seated for departure.